2014, my friend went to deliver her third baby. She had a normal delivery, and everything was fine, until suddenly she started to fade away. When they discovered that she had an internal bleeding, her heart was already too weak to afford any intervention. She died. HERZ Medical System could have saved her life. Marhaba. My name is Farah. I come from Lebanon. I'm an electrical engineer and the founder of HERZ Medical Engineering. 17.7 million people die every year from cardiovascular diseases. For a category of people called high-risk patients, for whom the doctor denies any intervention because their heart cannot afford it, those people have no other choice than waiting for their last breath. In order to save those people's lives, we needed a device that assists the heart while the cardiologist is doing his job. There have been few devices since the 1970s. However, in order to have a full cardiac support, that means 5 liters of blood per minute, which is the average the body needs, some devices need open chest surgery, and others need like incision surgery. HERZ Medical System doesn't need any open chest surgery. It's inserted in a minimally invasive way into the body, doesn't have this long list of side effects. HERZ Medical System has lower blood damage than the available devices on the market, less complications, and of course, shorter hospital stays. We've been able to manufacture our first working prototype and test it. We confirmed that our device pumps blood up to 5 liters per minute with low blood damage, and we have a filed patent in the United States. We have a huge market. As per the American Heart Association statistics, there's around 900,000 cases per year that the device could be used in. Of course, we have a long journey ahead. However, we expect our first human trial in 2 years' time. This is our lovely team. We have a combined 150 years of combined experience. HERZ Medical System, I am your heart, while your heart is under procedure. Thank you.
Jury, your comments.
So I would need your help to educate me on this. How did this work? I did not get that at all.
Okay, this is a mechanical device, which is a pump and a motor. It's inserted in the femoral artery, just like everyone does a stent in the hospital. And it enters into the left ventricle of the heart, and it pumps blood up to 5 liters per minute, which is the functionality of the heart. And it takes the functionality of the heart when it's too weak to do its job. So whenever the cardiologist wants to operate on the patient, and the patient cannot afford an intervention because the doctor is afraid that he may die under the procedure, this device will take the job of the heart so that the interventionalist or the cardiologist open up the blocked vessels in the heart. So we're giving those patients another chance to live.
So, like, what kind of a lab approval do you need here? Can you, like, sell this in different markets, and you need approval in different markets when you're selling it?
Yeah, it's a long journey. We have to do animal testing, controlled animal testing. We have to do clinical testing. Of course, it's a lengthy procedure. And then we have regulatory approvals from, we may start by the CE mark and then the FDA approval, and it all like clear up during our journey.
Like, when do you think you can start actually commercializing this? Because FDA approvals take like 3 to 5 years, maybe more.
The fourth year, we expect a market penetration. We've done our calculations based on a market penetration as low as 0.2%, and our numbers were good. But of course, the financial forecast is just a homework, and yeah.
Who owns the IP for this?
Mine.
It's yours, not your university, right?
I'm the sole inventor of the.
Okay.
How would you, in simple terms, say what was the main the main invention that you made? Is it the fact that you can miniaturize a pump into a vessel? Is it some sort of special materials? What is it?
No, it's actually in order to give this cardiac support, the full cardiac support, the pump would be large diameter, and it's hard for the cardiologist. It needs a surgeon. It needs a surgery. Our device has a proprietary technology in order to introduce the pump. It has our pump can pump up to the full cardiac support needed. However, it doesn't need a surgeon. So it's patented.
So the pump fits into the vessel?
The pumps enter the vessels and fits in the left ventricle.
Okay. So do you foresee that there would be any future for this product to be permanently part of the human body?
Well, it's a short-term device. We may just look into main things like long-term, but now for the meantime, it's a short-term. It could be used up to 3 to 6 hours, just while the patient is under the procedure, or just to wait for the heart to heal.
Thank you.
How many procedures like that usually take place monthly or yearly that would need, you know, the product?
Yeah, there are 900,000 cases per year, as per the American Heart Association statistics of 2016, when we started our market research. So, yeah.